For this video, we're going to demonstrate adding a related record to a resource in Maximo Anywhere using TRM's Anywhere Builder. For the demonstration, we're going to use the Work Execution app and demonstrate inserting a new planned tool record to the work order resource. So we'll find the planned tools section, and in the empty spot in the layout, we'll right-click, we'll choose Insert into Button 1, and under Advanced, choose Create Related Record. This will open the wizard to walk us through this process. From here, we'll select the related record we want to insert into, which is WP Tool, then we'll press Next. On this page, we have a few actions we need to do to add the functionality to both Maximo and to Maximo Anywhere. First, we need to add the Anywhere Ref ID field into the Maximo tables. So we'll click Run, and it will insert the data into the configuration tables in Maximo and automatically open a browser for you to go ahead and apply those changes to the system. So if we review these, we'll see that not only is WP Tool to be changed and have the Anywhere Ref ID field added, but these other objects are going to be changed as well, since the WP Tool table is actually a view related to the WP item table in Maximo. So seeing here that the actual Anywhere Ref ID is also added to the source table for the view. Now we'll apply our database changes using Maximo's front-end functionality. So we'll apply the admin mode and apply the database configuration changes. And we'll fast forward through this so that we don't have to wait for the process to complete. Now that our database configuration changes are complete, we'll go back into Anywhere Builder to continue with the wizard to add a WP Tool item to the work order resource. Refreshing this view lets us know that we've actually applied the change in Maximo and that the Anywhere Ref ID field must be added to the related resource. We'll click Run here, and we'll get notified that we have to pull the RDFs. This is because we made a database configuration change in Maximo. We'll say yes, and the RDF puller will run and update the data in Anywhere Builder so that the field Anywhere Ref ID is available for the resource. Once completed, we'll see that all actions are complete on our view, and we can continue on with our wizard. From here, we'll choose the fields we want to display in the insert view. We'll choose item num, quantity, hours, and line type. Then we'll press Next, and we'll give a name to the view and set the label that displays at the top of the view. We'll call it WP Tool Insert, and our label will be Insert Planned Tool. We'll press Finish, and the wizard is completed. Now we can review the changes that Anywhere Builder made with this wizard. First, we'll see that there's a button next to the Planned Tools section, and that our application is dirty. We'll save our changes, and under the Data Explorer, we'll confirm that our Anywhere Ref ID field has been added to the WP Tool resource. There it is. Now, we'll double-click the button we added to view our view. You can see it has the 4 fields we selected, plus a Cancel and Create button. Additionally, the view has an event on it that is displayed when the view is initialized. We can review or edit that event by double-clicking on it in the UI Explorer or selecting it from the view itself. We're going to add some logic to default the line type the tool for this record since we're on the WP Tool resource. So we'll set our value, save and close that. Additionally, we'll make this field always read-only. Users should not be modifying that on creation of a WP tool record. To help enhance functionality, we'll actually add a lookup so the users can select the valid tools. We'll choose Add Lookup by right-clicking on the item, and another wizard will display to walk us through this process. First, we're going to choose to select our data from an MBO resource. Our resource in this case is tool item. We'll select that, then we'll select the fields we want to display in our value list. In this case, we'll just select the item num and the description. Then press next. We'll choose to use an existing resource so that we don't have to create a new one in Maximo. And we'll stick with the default layout and choose the item num and description to display. We'll review our data and click Finish. After clicking Finish, it takes us to our lookup configuration page. Closing that, we'll see the lookup icon next to tool, and we can review the events on our buttons. You see each button has a click event associated with it, the cancel and the create. You can add and enable functionality inside of those button events that are created by default when running this wizard. We'll save all of our changes and build our application. When the build is complete, we'll preview the application. When the preview opens, we'll get rid of the extra views and log in as our username, who is Wilson. From there, we'll navigate to work order 1114, and we'll scroll down to the Plan Tools section and see our insert icon. We'll push the button, and this will create the record for us. We'll use the lookup we created to select a tool. We'll choose lathe and set the quantity in the hours, and press create. You'll notice that line type defaults to tool, just like we said. If we want to view this record, we can view it just like you'd view any plan tool. Click on the record in the list and review it here. Now if we want to add a second one, we'll just click the button again. We'll choose a value. How about drill? We'll set our quantity and the time. Press OK and choose to create it. Now we have two records. From here, we'll go into Maximo and confirm that the record has the two items we added to it. So we'll go to work order tracking. Open up work order number 1114. We'll close our Max Assist guide, which we don't need right now. And on the Plans tab, under Tools, we'll see the two items we created, the lathe and the drill. As you can see, adding the functionality to create a related record to a resource in Maximo Anywhere using TRM's Anywhere Builder is simple. You follow the wizard, you apply your database configuration changes, and all the functionality is added for you. If you have any questions on this or any other Anywhere Builder functionality, contact us at support@trmnet.com. Thanks.